What if a single photo from your perspective could unlock an entire virtual world that mirrors your real-time movement? That's not a futuristic concept anymore. That's the breakthrough of PlayerOne. In this video, we're diving into PlayerOne, the world's first egocentric world simulator. This isn't another text-to-video model or just another VR experiment. PlayerOne takes one first-person image, literally a photo from your point of view, and constructs an immersive, consistent, and responsive 3D world. Then, it generates a video that evolves with your physical movement, captured from an external camera. PlayerOne isn't just about generating photorealistic video. It's about true simulation. When your head turns, the virtual camera turns. When your body moves, the environment shifts with you. And all of this works without needing manually segmented video, complex 3D reconstructions, or multi-step pipelines. The key innovation here is the architecture and training process. It begins with a coarse-to-fine approach. First, PlayerOne is pre-trained on large-scale datasets of egocentric video paired with text captions. This stage helps the model learn how first-person scenes typically behave, how objects are framed, how motion looks from a head-mounted perspective, and what to expect from dynamic environments. Then comes the fine-tuning stage. The researchers developed an automatic pipeline to extract motion video pairs from synchronized egocentric and exocentric video datasets. By leveraging pose estimation and intelligent filtering, they ensured that only high-quality data was used. This enabled the model to learn how human movement captured externally corresponds to first-person video dynamics. One of the standout features of PlayerOne is the part-disentangled motion injection scheme. Instead of feeding raw motion into the generation system, PlayerOne separates motion into distinct components, like head, hands, and torso, and injects each part independently. This allows precise control over how the camera moves versus how the body interacts with the world, ensuring that each part behaves realistically without interference. The training also incorporates a joint reconstruction mechanism. This means that both the dynamic 4D scene, think of it as the spatial environment over time, and the video frames are modeled together. This alignment ensures that long-form videos maintain world consistency. In other words, if you turn left and then turn back right, the scene remains coherent instead of falling apart visually. During inference, all PlayerOne needs is a single egocentric frame and a sequence of motion data from the exocentric view. From that, it renders a continuous viewpoint-corrected video that feels as if you're exploring the space in real time. So why does this matter? PlayerOne represents a significant leap forward in how we simulate human perspective. It opens doors for training systems, VR education, immersive gaming, robotic simulation, and even digital twins. This is not just about video generation. This is about modeling reality from the inside out. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more. If this video hits 10,000 views, I'll do a follow-up covering PlayerOne's full training setup, the datasets they used, and how it stacks up against other world models like EgoGen or Worldcraft. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.